Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can hide like count on Instagram. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone. Then you have to open your Instagram profile. You can tap on this button to open your profile. And then on your profile, you have to select the Instagram post that you want to hide the like count. And I'm gonna go with this one. Tap on the post, then we can tap on the three dots button. Then since we want to hide the like count, we can simply click on hide like count option. Okay, and now the like count has been hidden. But if you want to hide the like count on all of your posts on Instagram, you can go to the Instagram setting, tap on this button, then there will be several options for you, and you're going to select settings and privacy. Then you have to find the like and a share count, this one. Tap on it. Then if you want to hide your like count and share count, you can tap on this button. Okay. And alright guys, that's how we can hide like count on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.